Have you ever wondered if there's a secret, natural way to supercharge your love life? Picture this. It's the end of a long week, and you're feeling tired, stressed, and, well, not exactly in the mood. But what if I told you that there's a natural, delicious way to boost your energy and reignite that spark in your relationship? A recent study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that certain foods, packed with vitamins and minerals, can significantly improve libido and even enhance your body's response to intimacy. That's right. What you consume plays a major role in your love life. Hi, and welcome to our channel, where we give you the juiciest health secrets, quite literally. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 juicing recipes to boost your libido. These recipes aren't just tasty. They're backed by science and loaded with aphrodisiac superfoods. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end, because I've saved a game-changing bonus tip that could elevate your health and intimacy to the next level. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our life-changing health tips. Ready to juice up your love life? Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with our first recipe, Berry Blast Libido Booster. Blueberries, strawberries, and a splash of pomegranate juice are not just a delightful combination. They're a powerhouse for sexual health. Blueberries are rich in flavonoids, which improve blood flow by helping your arteries relax. Better blood flow means, well, you get the picture. Pomegranates, meanwhile, have been shown to increase testosterone levels. According to a study from Queen Margaret University, participants who drank pomegranate juice daily experienced a 24% increase in testosterone levels, which is crucial for both male and female libido. Toss in a handful of strawberries, which are packed with vitamin C to boost your immune system, and you've got a glass of pure passion. Next up is the tropical Fire Elixir. This exotic blend features mango, pineapple, and a hint of ginger. Mango and pineapple are known for their natural enzymes that aid digestion and increase energy levels, making you feel more vibrant. And let's not forget ginger, a spicy root that, according to a study in Food and Function, significantly enhances circulation and acts as a natural vasodilator. So not only will you feel great, but your body will be primed for romance. Side note, if you have a sensitive stomach, be cautious with the amount of ginger, as it can cause irritation. Moving on, we have the carrot celery love potion. It's not your typical romantic drink, but hear me out. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which promotes hormone production. Celery contains an interesting compound called androstenone, a male pheromone that may boost attractiveness. Imagine sipping this and feeling your confidence rise. Just be aware that celery is a diuretic, so moderation is key to avoid too many trips to the bathroom. Now, let's get into something a little spicy, the beet and watermelon aphrodisiac juice. Beets are full of nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, essential for any romantic evening. Watermelon is rich in citrulline, an amino acid that has a similar effect to popular intimacy-enhancing pills, minus the side effects. But here's a heads up, too much beet juice can lower blood pressure, so if you're on medication, consult your doctor first. Our final recipe before the big bonus tip is the Sexy Green Machine, a blend of spinach, kale, and apple. Dark leafy greens are high in magnesium, which helps dilate blood vessels. Magnesium has been linked to higher levels of testosterone and lower stress, a perfect combo for feeling great. Add a sweet apple to balance the flavors, and you've got a health-boosting, mood-enhancing drink. And now, here's that bonus tip I promised. Have you heard of maca root? This ancient Peruvian superfood has been used for centuries to enhance stamina and boost libido. A study in BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine showed that daily consumption of maca root significantly increased sexual desire in men and women after just 6 weeks. Add a teaspoon to any of these juices, and you'll notice a difference. Always be mindful of allergies and how your body reacts. For instance, beet juice can lower blood pressure, ginger can cause stomach upset, and too much maca may lead to hormonal imbalances. Always consult with a healthcare provider if you have concerns. Remember, while these drinks can work wonders, a healthy lifestyle, good communication, and stress management are equally important. Stay tuned for more tips, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who needs a natural love life boost.